The rugby team are World Cup champions and US, rugby championship winners. What can the football team do? Appolis took his eye off the ball just for a moment. Morena resettles it. Appolis! Oh, it's brilliant! It's absolutely brilliant! Oswin Appolis, formerly from Polokwane City, now a Buccaneer. He gets his 4th international goal on his 18th appearance. And South Africa are sailing to the land of Uncle Sam. 2-0. Gayton can't contain himself. Even Daniel Dan, who doesn't often smile these days, he's smiling. South Africa 2, Rwanda 0. Revenge is in the air, and revenge is very, very sweet. Appolis makes the mistake initially, takes his eye off the ball. Tapelo Morena recycles it. What a great finish here. Beautifully played by Evidence Makgopa, who'll get the assist. But look how well this man does. Appolis into the top corner. This time you can't fault Fiacre Ntwari. No goalkeeper in the world is stopping that. South Africa lead by 2 goals to 0.